Welcome back to Algomiz. In this session, we will be learning how to access set items. Actually, we cannot access items in a set by referring to an index or a key. Why it is so? Think over it. It's because we all know sets are unordered and unindexed. So without index, we cannot access using index. Now the question arises. Now how can we access set items? There is only one way, that is using a loop. So we can iterate over the items and get all elements. Let us see an example. Here, we have a set called access, and in which we have a few elements. Now use for loop and iterate over the elements using x and print out x. It will give us all elements one by one. This is the only way to access a set. Now let us learn how can we check if an element is belong to a set or not. For which we can use an keyword. Here checking word apple is a member of set access. See the output, it says true. Now let us check with an element which is not a member of set access. Let us check if word banana is a member of set access or not. Check this by writing member operator, that is in keyword, followed by word banana, and the output is false. Actually, in and not in operators allow you to quickly determine if a given value is or is not part of a collection of values. Let us use not in membership operator here and check the output. We got a true now. The statement banana is not in the set is true. Now let us check, is there any possibility to change set elements? Here, let us create a set called change. Truth is that once a set is created, you cannot change its items, but you can add new items. We have already learned sets are unindexed. Let us try accessing 0th element from this set. Printing out, we are getting error message and it says set object is not subscriptable. So it's clear that we cannot access any element using index value, and of course we cannot change items. This is the end of today's session. Hope it is clear so far. Please comment your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. Happy programming.